I'm dealing with. Definitely moisture's been trapped up in here. Corrosion's not too bad. It's real surface level. Nothing that a rust treatment wouldn't take care of. But the other thing is, get the light up here. I don't think that this is insulated. I think it's hollow. And I say that also because you can look up through there. So the thing is like, yeah, you can see right through there. Now what I'm thinking about doing is drilling some holes randomly and then just getting cans of spray foam and just filling this in. Because it insulates fairly well, all things considered. But this would be a problem. I mean, because that's a lot of energy lost. So if I could find some spray foam and just start filling up strategically, couple holes here and there, and then just filling her up with spray foam, I think that would help out a lot. The other thing is, because if I pull the light away, that looks like fiberglass to me. That doesn't look like there's insulation. So, and behind this is all old fiberglass. I should be really careful with this. But if you look at it, it's just packed up in there. So here's what I think happened. Because you got screws here. I think they install all the interior with the interior shell in, and then they put the exterior shell on and get that all screwed into place. Because I've had to cut these and I've done an awful job. I'm not happy about it. But yeah, these screws, it's good that these cupboards are so soft. Yeah. Another update. I've decided that that I'm just going to eliminate this whole cabinetry here and replace it with some IKEA cabinets. Make it nice. Make it all brand new. Make it fancy. But also cheap, because IKEA. I also got the old heater. Wow. Blast from the past. Huh. Who knows? Sudsy Sue. I might hold on to this. But yeah, I still got to get rid of the gas lines. And I might have to rethink the fridge option, because the wheel well's here and the plan was to put the fridge here. Yeah, that might be a problem. We pull up this cabinet here. Do you reckon this was to start the gas stove? Burning piece of paper on the end of that, and you whoosh. Yeah, getting rid of these old cabinets. The water heater I'm getting is so much smaller than that. Yeah, it'd be better. It'd be better. Ha! Where's it? Yeah, I'm not surprised. actually a real good opportunity to chase down where all the leaks are. Excuse me. Oh man. Well. Oh man. Son of a gun. Now I gotta prioritize. Well, I got another bucket outside. I also broke this ladder here. That's right. Ah, it's pouring. Ah, I love it. I love it, I love it. Look at that. Oh. You know, sometimes it's the little things.